top, then I go to sex clubs, watching freaky people getting it on. It doesn't make me nervous.